What's up, guys? This is Rich with Wolverine Airsoft. Airsoft.nu stopped by and we're going to take a look at the brand new MTW. We're here at SHOT Show 2018 and we are in Red Wolf's booth. So, MTW, this is our modular training weapon. This is something that we have been working on for a very long time. We've been working on all the subsystems. Some of you may have wondered why we kept releasing all these different products, and it may not have made a whole lot of sense. This was the goal. This integrated modular system that lets you use any of those products and lets you attach them all together. No modifications, no muss, no fuss, so to speak. So let's go over some feature highlights. Start with the receivers. The lower receiver is machined from a real steel 7075 T6 forging. Okay, so this is just as strong as your standard real steel forged lower receiver. Your upper receiver is CNC machined from billet machined from a 6061 T6 extrusion. Basically, the entire upper is 6061 T6 aluminum. So very lightweight, but very strong, very durable. This is not I should clarify this. This is not the receiver design that we're going to have on the production version. It will be a slick side upper receiver, which something we wanted to do just because this is such a sort of revolutionary product in terms of how it's all put together. We wanted to do something with the receiver that nobody else has done for Airsoft. So slick side, right? A modern, high-speed sort of feel. We really like how it turned out, but we'll show you those receivers once they're ready to go. Let's talk about the rail system. Rail system is a proprietary M-LOK design. We will offer these in a variety of lengths, which we'll talk about in a little bit. All your fasteners are hidden, so you get this very streamlined look, two hidden fasteners that you can access through the top rail, allow the rail to slide off, no problems. All of those will be finished with mil-spec hard coat anodizing, so really high quality anodized finish. So all good stuff there. Let's talk about some other features. Functionality. This has functioning empty magazine detection and bolt release. So when you stop, if you're using the Wolverine Airsoft magazines, this is our magazine that we designed. We'll talk more about them in a minute. The gun will stop firing when the magazine is empty. You'll have to remove the magazine, put in a mag, and hit your bolt release to start the gun firing again. All right. So magazines, it works with any standard AEG magazine, M4 magazine, obviously. They won't give you the empty mag detection, but if you use these magazines, which we've designed for the gun, it will give you the empty mag function. So let's talk receiver breakdown. Take our receiver here, try to do this all live. We'll do it live. All right, so this is take a look at this. This is our upper receiver. You can see there's no wires coming out. If you are using external air, your airline is going to come right through this opening here, and it will go right down through the grip. This is set up for the Wraith CO2 stock, so it doesn't have the airline coming down. But this will go together exactly like a standard AR. Body pins, and it snaps together. Front and rear body pins, right? All right. There we go. Comes back apart. So when you open the upper, you have no wires connected, any of that stuff. You don't have to worry about tearing a wire. Let's tear this down. Take a look at this. Again, we're going to do this live on the floor. This is risky. This is risky. Something could go wrong. Let's do it anyway. All right, so upper disassembly. This is your contacts. Here's your cylinder retainer. There's your cylinder for maintenance. Completely toolless disassembly. All right. Let's put this all back together. Just set it up there for the moment. So again, these are just two small clips that snap in place. Easy enough. Just snap them right back in and you're good to go. Set them up there for a minute and we'll keep moving so this video doesn't take forever. All right, one of the other things we're announcing today is the new Wraith Aero. This is a new member of the Wraith family. This uses a 13 cubic inch tank. Now we don't have the tank cover here, which is a shame because it's a really slick tank cover. It's a nylon with rubber injection molded. You can see in the picture over there sort of what that looks like. Has that rubber texture feel for a real nice cheek weld and all that. So it uses standard 13 cubic inch tanks. Gonna give you, give or take, about 1,000 shots per tank. But check this out. So we push our button on the bottom, pop this off. Here you can take your tank off. Put this back together, and now if we put an ASA adapter here, we can run external air there, and we have a collapsible stock that we can run with external air. So it can be used in either way. Our Airline Adapter for that, let's show you this. Very simple design here. Again, you're gonna have completely free. Your Airline Adapter is at the back here. It will just go right into the top of the regulator there, mounted on the gun, and you're good to go. Again, breakdown. It's right like that. So if you want to swap uppers, all that stuff's really easy to do. Put these guys back down. All right, what else did I forget? Hop-ups. Hop-up is a custom rotary style hop-up, but it will work with standard AEG hop-ups. We'll do a more detailed video on that later on. One more thing I want to highlight here real fast. Because so many parts are interchangeable with real steel components here, you can use tons of aftermarket real steel stuff. So this is a charging handle. You have to modify it slightly, but it's really easy to do. Pins, body pins, you can use whatever body pins you want, real steel stuff. Your grip, this is a Daniel Defense grip, which is really slick. We like that. So you can put whatever real steel grip you want on there. And then this is my favorite, personally. This is a bad lever, Magpul bad lever, for any of you that are familiar with it, and it works. It's not just attached there to look pretty, it actually works. It will restart the gun firing after you hit the empty mag. Attaches right to the existing bolt release there. So, that's about it, guys. There are lots more things with this, and we'll be releasing lots of smaller videos showing all the details, because if we actually tried to record a video of this that went through everything, and it ended up being like 40 minutes long, and we had to break it up anyway. So, hope you guys enjoyed watching. Thanks for stopping by, guys, and we'll see you guys out on the field.
Rapporteringen från SHOT Show 2018 presenteras i samarbete med Wise Guy, Röda Stjärnan, Tactical Store och Malmö Airsoft Terräng Malmö.